Yeah, there's a purge valve in this car. It's got an EVAP code. I don't remember the codes. I'll put them in the video later on. We checked the gas cap. You checked all the vacuum hoses, didn't you, Johnny?
Yeah, they all look good to me.
Yeah, you checked all underneath there. There's tons of them. And everything else, you want to come up close with that, Johnny? Walk towards here. He found out, we're hoping it's this, but we scanned it out, and that seems to be the culprit. So you got that? It's a, what, Dorman?
Dorman.
Yeah, it's a Dorman product. And like I said, the numbers will be in the code, but this is what he's going to replace now. And I'm going to film him doing it. And it's down, where's it at? Just point, Johnny, so they can see there.
Right there.
Okay, right down there. Let me zoom in. Right down in there somewhere. It's hard to see, but it's right there. People have you take off that top rail. Point to the top rail, Johnny, that's bleached out. Yeah.
But you don't really have to.
There we go. Yeah, it's right under there. You don't have to. And he's going to prove you don't have to. It's hard to pull out, because there you got it, because it's clipped in there. Yeah, I got to lighten it up again. Just hold it. So damn dark in there. Okay, there it is. Let me lighten it a little bit. Hold it. There it is right there. Okay, now try to pull it apart. Remember, John, you got to go behind and push that little pin over. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Otherwise, you'll break it. Got it?
Yep.
Okay, then explain, John, what the other thing you're taking. Okay, you took that clip off.
Yeah,
no, turn it towards the camera. It's got to be towards the camera. I know. Then there's a molded rubber thing right there. Two
things that you have to take off.
Yeah, just get your screwdriver really carefully. Don't wreck it, because otherwise you're going to go buy that thing. Should come off. Not easy, but it should come off. I'll take the screwdriver out of your hand, Johnny. Unless you need it. And it helps to put a little WD-40 under there too if you can't get it off. Work it around to break them, especially if it's been on there for so long. And they're not easy to get off.
I need some WD-40.
Okay. Okay, the battery went dead, of course, right when he's putting it in. Now, Johnny, explain to how it's a little metal slide.
No,
little like a clip.
A little clip that you get on, and then you have to push back because the little bumps.
Let me show it here.
Not there.
Okay, then this little thing you reach through and you pull on this to pull it out. You pull on this little lever here. Okay, is that all good in there, Johnny?
Yep.
Okay, then the same thing he's going to put it on now. He's got to slide it in this little slot. You should show the slot.
There you go.
Yeah, then there's a little metal tang. He slides it in. But the metal tang that this sits on has little bumps on it. So you really, when you get it on there like this, you gotta push it on hard so it locks in. And then it'll lock behind this clip. So that's it. And there ain't no way I'm gonna get in there with the camera lens. Okay, now he's gonna reach it. I'm not gonna be able to get no view. He's gonna reach in there. Hear that? Hear that click? See, there you go. Now you pull on, try to make sure all your hoses are on good. Make sure the wire's clipped on good. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, make sure everything's clear. Everything's clear, huh, Johnny?
Yeah.
And he'd have to put nothing back on. That's it. And now he's going to start his car and see if it runs or if it explodes. I'll keep filming the engine. Started right up real nice.